Hello you guys, my name is Keisha. Welcome back to my channel, and this video is going to be about me cleaning my face because I feel like excuse me, I haven't done one in a long time, so I'm going to do one now. So I'm cleaning my face with my gifts that my son gave me. It's Kiehl's Avocado Nourishing Hydration Mask. It's very good, it smells amazing, and just rub it on over your face. All in rub it circular motion, and I like it. It's very lightweight, it's not heavy or anything. I get under my neck as well every time when I wash my face. Leave it on for about 10 minutes and then you wash it off. It feels amazing. I love it. It's how it looks inside. It looks exactly like avocado, but it actually has real avocado inside. So it's very good for your skin. Now my face is all clean, feels refreshed, feels good. And now I am going to use Kiehl's Ultra Facial Cream. And it's a 24-hour daily lightweight hydrating formula. It's very good. I rub it all over my skin. And it feels amazing, nice and moisturized. It's so good. I love using different products to clean and wash my face and to moisturize. That's how it looks inside. Very creamy, lightweight, and now all refreshed. And I hope you enjoyed this video. And I'll be doing more of these. I know I haven't been doing it in a while, but I love you guys.